Hi, I'm V, and for the next week, I'm going to be documenting my mom while she cooks. Though I'm most home of the time, I'm not very, spending a lot of time with her because I'm focused on my work, whether it's recording music or sleeping or just shenanigans in general. And I never get to spend time with her. I never get to slow down and, think about how she feels emotionally. Most of the time when I spend time with her is through cooking. We bond through cooking. And that's also the reason why I want to make this documentary, because not to only one, introduce you guys to, the Vietnamese culture, the art behind it, but to also bond with my mom and connect with her on another level. These are the goals that I want to accomplish by the end of this documentary, laid out on the screen right here. So, 1, adapt a new skill from my mom. 2, make her smile, make her laugh a lot. And 3 is to understand her more emotionally. And 4th, and most important of all, to create a better bond with her. And these are the goals I want to accomplish by the end of this documentary. And by the end of this documentary, I'm gonna check off all of the goals.
Hi. Hôm nay mình làm gì mà? Bánh xèo á. Ủa nhưng mà tại sao mẹ biết làm bánh xèo vậy? Mẹ hỏi gì sao tao trả lời? Tại tao biết, tại mẹ tao chỉ sao vậy, tao chỉ lại cho tụi mình.
And for you guys who don't know what a bánh xèo is, it's translated to a sizzling cake. It's got its name from, the sound that it makes when it hits the pan. It's also a Vietnamese version of a taco. You see this everywhere. It's a common street food in Vietnam. But that's all I'm gonna say for now. Let's get into the process of making it. First thing first, you gotta prep your pan with a little oil, stir fry some onion, pour in the batter that you made from coconut cream and turmeric powder and a lot of more flours, and put in your stir-fried pork and shrimp that we seasoned earlier. Yup. Already looking good. You hear that sizzling sound? Next, you add in your bean sprouts and cover the lid so the batter could cook. I'ma do some magic real quick. Poop. And this is what it looks like when it's ready to be flipped.
Jonah. Okay.
I'm gonna attempt to do one by myself. Oil. Oh shit, no! I'm waiting. We're gonna flip it. Oh shit, oh! Oh yeah. Có mà. Đây, mấy như năm hả? Đẹp không? Approved. I'm gonna put it on a plate.
See if you can put it on a plate.
Oh hell yeah, I can put it on a plate. Watch this.
Tao biết ngay mà.
Cut the cameras.
Last but not least, we gotta make our dipping sauce, which is a combination of garlic, chili, fish sauce, water, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of lime. Feel me?
Mời các bạn ăn bánh xèo nha.
Mời các bạn bánh xèo nha, sau khi được thành quả như đây nè.
Quá trời luôn nha. First thing you gotta do, you gotta take the rice paper and then wet it. Wet it with the wet lettuce. Feel me? Place it on top of the rice paper like this. And then you take your bánh xèo, you put it in, and you roll it up. This is not a perfect roll, but you get the gist, you feel me? And then you gotta eat it with nước mắm, fish sauce right here. You're gonna get the fish sauce.
chấm nước mắm nha. We're gonna dip it in the fish sauce. Taste test, let's go. Ok, câu hỏi đầu tiên cho mẹ là sau một ngày hôm nay làm bánh xèo với con, mẹ cảm thấy như thế nào?
Ngon, vui, được làm chung với gái.
Pause right there. I just want to say a few things. Even though I am smiling on the outside, inside, that shit hit me. When she said I get to spend time with my daughter, that shit hit me differently because, like I said, I never get to spend time with her, and just to see her smile and say that meant a lot to me. And it just makes me emotional a little bit, just only a little bit, how I am so distant from her. And I don't even realize it.
Hồi đó mẹ biết nấu ăn sao? Kiểu bắt đầu mẹ biết nấu ăn là mẹ biết nấu ăn sao?
Nhìn bà ngoại nấu rồi nấu theo.
Nhìn bà ngoại nấu xong nấu theo hả? Vậy bây giờ một khoảnh khắc mà nhớ đời nhất của mẹ với bà ngoại là cái gì?
Nhiều cái lắm không có nhớ được.
Phải nói một cái đi chứ.
Trời. Ngoại chỉ gói bánh tét nè, ngoại chỉ kho thịt nè, còn ngoại chỉ làm nhiều thứ lắm.
Vậy hả? Vậy bây giờ nếu mà mẹ có thể nói với bà ngoại được một điều gì đó, mẹ sẽ nói gì?
I love you, mommy.
So my mom's saying that, you know, my grandma taught her a lot of things, like teaching her how to cook this, how to cook that. And I realized that she wanted to do the same thing with me. She wanted to teach me a lot of things, how to cook a lot of things, carry on the legacy, you know. But I noticed that she brings up cooking with me a lot, and I always, most of the time, I hit her with the, I'm busy. So
Má nói sao ta? Bí quyết dạy con của mẹ là cái gì?
Không có bí quyết gì hết trơn á, mình làm đúng con con làm theo thôi.
Hợp lý. Ok.
Bye bye, tạm biệt, see you, tập thao.
See you
See you next
time.
Next time.
Trời ơi.
So today is the first day documenting my mom while she cooks. And let me just say I learned a few things personally. So I learned that, you know, laying out, I already know this, but I'm just now witnessing it. And let me say, it's not easy planning out a meal, whether it's grocery shopping, laying down the ingredients and the steps. It takes a lot of time and effort to think about. And I never really sit down and appreciate how much time and, you know, thinking she put into, you know, cooking our meals and feeding us. And I just want to say that I'm very appreciative and grateful for her. Getting the whole day with her today and cooking with her today, it makes me gangsters don't cry. Hold on. Back to what I was saying. So today, getting to spend time with her, learning how to cook with her, it just makes me, you know, very happy. And low key, I regret saying that I'm always busy a lot, you know, because I'm missing out on so much with her. So much. It only takes me one day to realize how much I missed on. So for any of y'all that's watching this right now, don't do the same thing. Appreciate your mama. Go cook with her or something. Give her a hug, man. Give your mama a hug. Because goddamn,